Open a window and we're going to jump out of it.
Zach. Hello, this is How To Not To, and today I will be reviewing wireless headphones that I purchased from Amazon for around £20, which is cheaper than the higher end headphones. The brand is Rydohi, I hope I'm saying that right. It comes with a hard protective black carrying case to keep them safe. So let's see what we have. So as you can see, they are a foldable design wireless headphones, nice and compact, as you can see in there. I chose black and red in keeping with my gym outfit, but they do come in many other colours as well. So here we have the user manual guide that shows you how to use it, obviously. Yeah, I love the way it folds. It's compact and it easily opens up like so. It's lightweight as well, so very good for working out with. So this is 4-in-1 multifunctional Bluetooth headphones that is compatible with PC, smartphones and smart TV, and it has a built-in mic. So the built-in mic, so you can chat to your friends, family while you're on the go with a handy built-in microphone, and it receives their voices with great clarity. It has stereo hi-fi sound. The music playback time is between 8 and 12 hours, and 12 to 14 hours of audio or talk time with normal volume. So plenty of hours there. The wireless range is up to 10 metres, so that's quite a distance. Yes, I'm quite impressed with that. Yeah, it's very good for travelling as well. They have soft headphone cushions for comfortability and comfortable ear hugging design. It has an adjustable headband that opens up like this, and they close easily as well. Deja vu. Yeah, I will be going through each function later on in the video, so just hang in there. The quality of the headphones is very good for the price I paid, and yeah, I'm very impressed so far. Okay, it comes with 18 months warranty, and this is to attach to the carrying case on this bit here. Okay, finally it comes with a USB cable wire to charge the headphones. It has a plug-in with 3.5 metre cable included. Connect to the headphones if you don't want to use it wirelessly. Okay, I'm going to fold them up and put them away in this case and leave you with Zach in the box. So please check out his channel, and he's going to demonstrate how the headphones work and go into more detail with them.
So guys, something that's really cool about these headphones is, one, you can play and pause, and it will also answer your phone calls. Like if you get a phone call, you can answer your phone. This one is a plus, like volume, this one as well. These two are volume. This one is an M, so I'm assuming it's M for mute. This thing, I don't know what you put in. This, you charge it. It's got like my phone charger, so I can use it to charge my phone. This is what I was talking about earlier, the manual thing, whatever it was. Don't know what to call it. It's this one. If you like don't want to use Bluetooth, you just use this cable and you slot it in there. It's very long. And that's that. And then this is the on and off switch.
He's now going to show you how to connect the headphones to your PC by locating your Bluetooth on your device and linking the two up.
So this is Bluetooth. It's installed. So you got to wait, guys, because my laptop is slow as hell. Guys, it's worked now. It's installed the Bluetooth, so now it's searching. So I'm going to turn on the speakers.
Power on.
Yeah, it says pair, and then these two are going to magically connect together. So this is searching on Google. Excuse me. So this thing here is searching on Google.
Does Google want to know?
And if you get this message, unable to locate device, just close this and go down here on Bluetooth Manager. Right click, add a new connection, and it's searching for Bluetooth devices, and then click next.
Okay guys, so here it is, and it's this one because this is what the Bluetooth headphones is called. Because if you look here, it's got the same name, because like this is like the name of a device, and here is the same one. So we're going to allow it to connect. I'm not going to do it for all users. Actually I will, because I don't have any other users. It's my laptop, so people get off my laptop, and yeah. Setting up audio device, yes, and I heard that didn't, that is connected or something, so yeah. And this is still blinking, it stopped blinking red. First it went blue, red, now it's just blinking blue, blue. So this, we can get rid of it.
If you have Windows 10, just go into your settings and go into devices, and then Bluetooth and other devices, and make sure your Bluetooth is on. So tick on this box here to pair them up.
Just gonna test the sound out. So to turn up the volume and turn it down, you have to hold it, and then you hold it to turn it up. You can also use your actual volume on your computer, but you can decide, it doesn't really matter. And it's really cool guys, so that's it for the headphones.
We're now going to show you how to connect the headphones to your TV.
This bar at the top, and then you go right to settings, go down, and now you see this remotes and Bluetooth devices.
Yeah.
Connect to Bluetooth, other Bluetooth devices. So guys, there it is, the headphones. Are going to connect it with a Fire TV stick. And Wi-Fi performance okay. And that's it guys, we connected it to the Fire TV. So now we're going to test it out. And can you hear it? It's actually working on a Fire TV stick, so you can use this on anything that has Bluetooth. It's amazing. I would totally recommend this to you.
So the sound from the TV is coming in nice and clear. Bluetooth 4.2 streams smoothly. Wireless range up to 10 meters, up to 33 feet from your device. So make sure you press on and off button for about 5 seconds until you hear the voice prompt that tells you that it's connected to your device. Okay, now I'm going to connect the headphones to my smartphone. So on your mobile, go into your Bluetooth settings and pair the new device. So it should show up on your phone.
Okay, tap it guys, pairing.
Oh, it's connect. Oh my god, look! Next to it, you see that bar? It actually tells you how much battery the headphones actually have. Oh my god, look, battery 70%. Amazing, guys. And also, it says it lasts about 20 hours or 14 hours, or it was one of those two. I'll check here. Good thing I just got this handy stuff. So hold time, usage time, it's 14 hours. So if you're going to use it for 14 hours, then you can do that. So you can use this for 14 hours, and so basically I can use this for a whole day, and it's going to run out like bedtime. So that's really good guys, and I'm really happy. Yeah, it's Bluetooth. So you can use this on any device that has Bluetooth guys, and I'm really happy. So that's it. I'm going to connect this cable here, but remember this one when you don't want to use Bluetooth. So I'm going to put that into the phone so it fits in. And I'm going to put the other side into here. And guys, look at that. It's actually disconnected from the phone. It's completely disconnected from it. So it's working perfectly fine. I just played some NCS music, non-copyright sounds. It even says in the title of the channel, no copyright sounds. And they've got some really good music, for example, Invincible. Now guys, I've just got my mum to call me. Wait, don't call me yet. I need to connect it on Bluetooth. Wait, try calling me now. It's about to get cool, guys. And I just pressed this button. And I answered it. Wait, so you can hear me right now?
Yeah.
Hi, Isaac. Hi, Mel. So how you doing? Yeah, very well, thank you.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
We go.
So yeah, gonna hang up. Bye-bye.
No, put it.
They're like very comfortable. And yeah, there's only like one problem with the buttons not being placed very well. Apart from that, very good. I love it. So thanks for watching, and yeah, that's it. Was it pixelated? Excuse me, go up. Yeah, expanded phone for I'd rather do this myself. Open a window and we're gonna jump out of it.
Zach.
We go.